Hey everybody, I'm doing this video on this air compressor for cars, bikes, and other stuff like that. And I did it on my other channel, but I didn't do it on this channel, so I'm doing it here. Uh, Basically, what you do is it's mobile, and you can take it with you. It's mobile, excuse me, I didn't say it right. Plug in your cigarette lighter, start your car so you don't run your battery down because it's 12 volts, and you might need a jump. Take it with you. Set it down. Open the valve cap. As you can see, our tire in the middle here. And lock it. It's at 215. Go up to 220. Yep, it's very useful. This thing is called the Glamore. I don't know how I'm saying that right. Hold on. It's called the Glamore air compressor, 12 volt. I liked it. I think it's useful. I recommend everybody invest in one of these because this helps when you have a flat tire. You put it on there, you immediately lock it so you don't lose all your air. That part, like that metal part. Some people know that, but yeah, this thing has a flashlight. Uh, Lets you know it has these buttons for you to tell you how much air you have. It's the power button. This thing is it's real reliable. You know, works with all cars, bikes, uh, basketballs, floaties, and here's the thing for it that it came with. Yeah, I don't know. I liked it, and I just wanted to do a review on this thing, and I'm keeping that. I got it from Walmart. Some people may find them other places, maybe Amazon. You can order it online. I ordered mine from Walmart, and it's a good investment. I'm gonna put the link in this description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and stay safe.